Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a bonus love reading for Aries. Let's see what's happening for them in the month of August. Remember, this is a general love reading, so if it doesn't resonate to you, you can check my other videos I have done for Aries, okay? So yeah, let's start. Let's see what's happening for Aries for the remaining days of August. What's happening for Aries? What's happening for Aries? Let's focus on your person's feelings. What's happening for Aries? What's happening for Aries in their love life? Okay. So, Sun card, the Magician, beautiful. King of Cups, the Chariot, Nine of Pentacles. One more for Aries for the month of August. Aries for the month of August. One more card. Okay. So, the Tower. Okay. You might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Specifically a Scorpio with this Tower card. A Cancer with this Chariot. An Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles. Okay. So what I'm seeing here is you are dealing with the person. They're quite optimistic about this connection now. Seeing the goods and the bads and still wanting to be together with you. There will be movement after a long period of stagnation in your love life. You will see movement in this. Okay, you will see things moving forward. There was a period in your relationship where things were falling off. You were seeing things going quite wrong. Okay, whatever you were expecting out of this relationship, it was going totally opposite of that. Okay, with this Tower moment, you definitely got a Tower moment in this relationship, or you're dealing with a Scorpio also. No matter what, the tough periods are gone. I think you are coming out very strong after this Tower moment. Okay, definitely, yeah. I'm seeing movement with this Chariot card, things moving forward, taking pace. Maybe if your person was not taking decision, if your person was stuck onto something, seeing the goods and the bads, now they're wanting to accept it and move forward with you. Okay, no matter what you both were going through. I'm seeing abundance coming. Okay, you will see financial stability, growth, maybe promotion for many of you. You will just benefit. Okay, you're going to see many profits coming down along the line, and before the month of August subsides, before the month of August is over, you will see yourself on the next level, be it on your relationship. This is the card of money, so money will be overflowing, abundance. Okay, you will benefit and you will see that you are getting what you wished for. Okay, from a long time, maybe you were expecting promotion, that is coming. Maybe in September, because this is number 9 card, so maybe in September you will see promotion, and like whatever you're doing with, you will see going one step forward. With this King of Cups, I am seeing this person was not showing their feelings. They were hiding their feelings. This King of Cups has a lot of feelings, but they do not show it. Okay, they do not want to be vulnerable, but now I think they will be showing how they exactly feel for you. You're their happiness. I'm definitely seeing you're their happiness. They feel happy with you, they feel light with you, they feel like beautiful connection, a happy, they see this relationship going to a next level and you making them happy. They see you as their happy place. Okay, they are manifesting you. They are being very positive about this connection overall. Okay, so yeah, that is what they want to convey to you. Happy times are coming, okay, Aries. Maybe after a long period of darkness, now you will see sunshine with the sun card, okay. So yeah, beautiful. Let me clarify some cards. I've seen your person just want to take things further. They have accepted everything. They have accepted the rights and the wrongs and the rights, and they are now charging towards you. This is a card of movement, okay? So I think they will be wanting to take things further with you. This is what I'm sensing, okay? Things going one step up, one level up, okay? So beautiful. Let's see. With this chariot, what's exactly going to happen? What is this chariot about? Why is this chariot in this reading? What is this exactly about? Okay. Yeah, I told you. They want to see the movement. They want to come back to you. They are running back to you, Aries. Whomsoever it is. They're running back to you, want stability with you with this Ten of Cups, want to, they just want to be with you. They don't want to lose you. They don't want to keep you holding and waiting. Okay, they don't want to keep this relationship stuck. Okay, they are coming back with this Ten of Cups. They want stability with you. They see family with you. They want to have family with you. What is this Nine of Pentacles? Is this the financial thing or about the relationship? Okay, yeah, I think you are going one step forward with this Prince of Wands, passionate about your career, passionate about this relationship, taking things forward, okay, seeing things, wishing things and seeing them coming to the reality, okay. So charging towards the future, towards a better future, taking charge and responsibility of the future. What is this Tower card here? Why is this Tower card here? Please clarify the Tower card. Please clarify the Tower card. Okay. Please clarify the Tower card. Why is Tower card here? Why is the Tower card here for Aries? I don't want 3 cards, please. 1 card, please. Why is this Tower card here? Oh my God, what's happening? I think you have been through a lot, like emotional turbulence, Aries, lately. Okay, we have 2 cards. The Chariot, I told you, completion, 4 of Wands. So this person wants completion with you. After maybe this was about the commitment. Maybe one of you were not ready for the commitment in the past, and now they want it. They want to have it with you with the 4 of Wands. Maybe you're dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sag, another Aries, Leo, Sag. I think this was your energy. You wanted completion. You wanted this stability with the other person, and now they're charging towards you. Maybe you're dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, definitely. Chariot is 2 times in this reading. So definitely I see after a period of darkness, after a period of sudden falling out of the relationship, things going haywire and not going quite right, after that there is a period of lightness. There is a period where your person will be wanting to build it with you. 4 of Wands is about building it together. Completion, okay. 10 is the number of completion, and we see completion here, okay. And this 4 of Wands is about stability, of forming grounds with you, coming to terms with you, okay, and trying to work on things together, okay. Yeah, let's see what is the Sun card about. What is the good news about? Some good news is coming your way. Light at the end of the tunnel, okay. After this darkness, sunshine is coming. What is the Sun card about for Aries? What is the Sun card about for Aries? Please, what is the Sun card about for Aries? Okay. Yeah, see, Tower card. I'm seeing Tower card coming twice. You might be also dealing with a Scorpio. Guys, you have been through a lot. Your person and you too, both. They see you as their happiness. They want to have it with you. Okay. New beginnings, new startings, new cycle, new and some endings and a new beautiful beginning. Okay. What is this Magician about? Please clarify the Magician for Aries. What is this Magician about? What is this? Okay. 2 of Wands. Yeah, maybe they were manifesting you. Maybe they were stuck. They were on the crossroad. They were not being able to decide, and now they have come up with the decision finally. They know what they want. They know how they want it. Okay, and with whom they want it. What is this King of Cups for Aries? Why is King of Cups here for Aries? Please clarify King of Cups. Please clarify King of Cups for Aries. Okay, we have Four of Swords. I think they have done just waiting and keeping you on hold. They have done this. I think this person wanted to go. They just went away. They spent time with themselves. They saw the other side, that the other side is not greener. The grass is not greener on the other side. They think they just came to a realization that they are nothing without you. Emotionally, they want you. You complete them. Okay, this is what I'm feeling with this Four of Swords. Maybe this person had sleepless nights, anxiety, not sleeping well, and thinking about you, missing you. You are on this person's mind like a big time. Okay, so they are definitely missing you with this Four of Swords, constantly thinking about it, being anxious about the future of this connection. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for you. What advice do we have for you? Yeah, I think you must see at the brighter things of life. Okay, you must practice self-love, take time for yourself, and just walk on the path whatever is given to you. Okay, and better things are coming. You just have to see, you just have to have eyes for seeing the better things. Let me shuffle the cards. What messages do we have for Aries? What's coming for Aries? What's coming for Aries? What messages do we have for Aries? What messages do we have for Aries? Okay. What messages do we have for Aries? Yeah, consciousness. So I think you must think right, take time for yourself, take time, away from everything. You must think deeply what exactly you want from this connection. I think you're also missing this person with this consciousness card. This person is also on your mind 24/7 maybe. Okay, so yeah, thinking needs to be done. Clinging to the past, maybe you're clinging to the past. Okay, maybe you are seeing at the wrong things this person has done to you. You need to release this. Okay, past doesn't have to come follow to your future. Okay, to your present and your future. Just leave it. It's dead and gone. Okay, don't cling to the past. It's a message for you. You don't have to cling to the past. Okay, so yeah, let's see what handwritten advices do we have for you from my handwritten messages. What advice do we have for Aries? Giving a good shuffle. So let's see what messages do we have for Aries. What messages do we have for Aries? What messages do we have for Aries? Okay, reconciliation. Maybe someone is coming back from the past. Maybe you both are reconciling. Okay, trust issues. Maybe trust issues were there in the past. Maybe you were not trusting this person or they were not trusting this connection. Okay, missing you. They are missing you. Yeah, I can see that. They are incomplete without you, Aries. What more do we have? Influence. Maybe they were under influence of someone else, or maybe you are under influence of someone else. What more do we have for Aries? Okay, blessings coming, new beginnings. Okay, and belief. You need to believe, or you need to change your beliefs now, or new beginnings are coming. I told you after the Tower card, the Sun card is here, the Magician is here. New beginnings, definitely need to be ready for the new beginnings. So this was it for Aries. I hope you liked it. This was a bonus reading. If you haven't seen the original video for Aries, which I have done before the month had begun, so just take a look at that. Check the previous videos. I have that video there. So yeah, see you in next videos. Please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel.